Meiji Jingu, located in the heart of Tokyo, is one of Japan's most important Shinto shrines. Dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shoken, the shrine was completed in 1920. 8 years after Emperor Meiji's passing, Meiji Jingu is renowned for its serene forested grounds, cultural significance, and architectural beauty, making it a popular destination for both worshippers and tourists. The construction of Meiji Jingu began in 1915, following the death of Emperor Meiji in 1912 and Empress Shoken in 1914. The shrine was built to honor their spirits and their contributions to Japan's modernization during the Meiji Restoration. The site was chosen due to its symbolic connection to the imperial couple, and over 100,000 trees were donated from across Japan to create the forest surrounding the shrine. Today, Meiji Jingu plays a vital role in Tokyo's cultural and spiritual life. It hosts numerous traditional Shinto rituals, weddings, and important ceremonies. The shrine is a place of peace and reflection, offering a natural sanctuary amidst the bustling city. It is also a major tourist attraction, drawing millions of visitors annually who come to experience its tranquil environment and cultural heritage. Meiji Jingu is located in Shibuya, Tokyo, near Harajuku Station and Yoyogi Park. It is easily accessible by public transportation, with Harajuku Station on the JR Yamanote Line and Meiji Jingu Station on the Tokyo Metro Chiyoda Line and Fukutoshin Line. The shrine's proximity to popular areas, like Shibuya and Shinjuku, makes it a convenient stop for tourists exploring Tokyo. The architectural style of Meiji Jingu reflects traditional Shinto design, characterized by simplicity and natural materials. The shrine complex includes several key structures. The main hall Honden, offering Hall Heiden, and Prayer Hall Hayden. These buildings are constructed primarily from cypress wood and copper, embodying the beauty of natural materials. The entrance is marked by a series of large Torii gates, symbolizing the transition from the mundane to the sacred. The shrine is surrounded by a dense forest known as the Meiji Jingu Forest, which covers approximately 170 acres. This man-made forest was planted during the shrine's construction and now features over 120,000 trees of 365 different species. The forest provides a serene and refreshing atmosphere, contrasting sharply with the urban environment of Tokyo. Meiji Jingu was constructed to honor Emperor Meiji and Empress Shoken for their roles in Japan's modernization and westernization during the Meiji era. The shrine serves as a symbol of their legacy and the nation's transformation during this period. It is a place of worship where visitors can pay their respects and reflect on the cultural and historical impact of the Meiji Restoration. Meiji Jingu holds a special place in Japanese culture. As one of the most significant Shinto shrines, it is a site of pilgrimage for many Japanese, especially during the New Year, when millions visit to pray for good fortune. The shrine is also a popular venue for traditional Shinto weddings, which are held in its picturesque surroundings. These cultural practices and events highlight the shrine's importance in contemporary Japanese life. One of the most important festivals at Meiji Jingu is the annual New Year celebrations, attracting millions of visitors who come to make their first prayers of the year. Other significant events include the Spring and Autumn Grand Festivals, which feature traditional music, dance, and martial arts performances. These festivals offer a glimpse into Japan's rich cultural heritage and provide an opportunity for visitors to experience traditional Shinto rituals. The approach to Meiji Jingu is marked by impressive Torii gates, the largest of which is made from 1,500-year-old cypress wood. These gates serve as a symbolic entrance to the sacred space of the shrine. The pathways leading to the main shrine buildings are lined with gravel and flanked by lush greenery, creating a serene and contemplative atmosphere. The main shrine building, or Honden, is the heart of Meiji Jingu. It houses the spirits of Emperor Meiji and Empress Shoken, and is the focal point for worship and ceremonies. The building's simple yet elegant design reflects traditional Shinto architecture, emphasizing harmony with nature. Visitors can offer prayers at the Hayden Prayer Hall and participate in various Shinto rituals. Adjacent to Meiji Jingu is Yoyogi Park, one of Tokyo's largest and most popular parks. Yoyogi Park offers expansive lawns, ponds, and wooded areas, making it a favorite spot for picnics, jogging, and outdoor activities. Meiji Jingu Gaien, another part of the shrine's grounds, features sports facilities, including a stadium and golf driving range, as well as beautiful ginkgo tree-lined avenues. Meiji Jingu hosts several major annual festivals, the most notable being the New Year celebrations, where millions gather to pray for good fortune. The Spring and Autumn Grand Festivals are also significant, featuring traditional performances and ceremonies. These events attract large crowds, and offer a unique opportunity to experience Japanese cultural traditions. Throughout the year, Meiji Jingu hosts various seasonal events. In spring, visitors can enjoy the blooming of cherry blossoms, while autumn brings the vibrant colors of the changing leaves. The shrine also participates in events such as the Emperor's birthday, celebrations and national holidays, providing a lively and festive atmosphere. Visitors to Meiji Jingu can participate in a range of activities, including guided tours that explain the shrine's history and significance. The shrine offers opportunities to experience traditional Japanese customs, such as writing wooden prayer plaques and drawing omakuji fortune slips. Additionally, cultural workshops on tea ceremonies, calligraphy, and other traditional arts are available for those interested in deeper engagement with Japanese culture. Meiji Jingu is easily accessible by train, with the nearest stations being Harajuku Station Junior Yamanote Line and Meiji Jingu Station, Tokyo Metro Chiyoda Line and Fukutoshin Line. The shrine is a short walk from both stations. Buses also service the area, and parking is available for those traveling by car, though spaces can be limited during peak times. Operating hours and admission fees. The shrine grounds are open from sunrise to sunset, while the main buildings are typically open from 600 a.m. to 400 p.m., depending on the season. Admission to Meiji Jingu is free, though there may be fees for certain activities or workshops. It is advisable to check the shrine's official website for the most up-to-date information on operating hours and events. Tips for visiting. To enhance your visit to Meiji Jingu, consider the following tips. Visit early morning or late afternoon. Visits can provide a more peaceful experience, as the shrine can become crowded during the day. Dress modestly as a place of worship. Modest attire is recommended. Comfortable shoes are also advised due to the extensive walking required. Participate in traditions. Engage in traditional activities, like offering prayers, writing and drawing omakuji to fully immerse yourself in the cultural experience. Explore the area. Take time to visit Yoyogi Park and the nearby Meiji Jingu Gaon for a more comprehensive experience of the area. Respect the environment. Maintain a respectful demeanor. Keep noise levels low, and follow the shrine's guidelines to preserve its serene atmosphere. The area surrounding Meiji Jingu is rich with attractions. Yoyogi Park offers a lush, expansive space for relaxation and recreation. Nearby Takashita Street in Harajuku is famous for its trendy shops, quirky fashion, and vibrant youth culture. In addition to Yoyogi Park, the Meiji Jingu Gaon area features beautiful, tree-lined avenues and sports facilities. Omotesanda, often referred to as Tokyo's Champs-Élysées, is just a short walk away and is lined with upscale shops, cafes, and boutiques. Harajuku and Omotesanda are renowned for their diverse dining options, ranging from casual street food to fine dining. Popular spots include the Harajuku Gyoza, bloom for delicious dumplings, and the Omotesanda coffee for artisanal coffee. Shopping enthusiasts can explore the numerous boutiques and stores in Omotesanda and Takashita Street, offering everything from high fashion to unique Japanese souvenirs. Meiji Jingu stands as a testament to Japan's rich cultural and historical heritage. Its serene forested grounds, traditional architecture, and vibrant festivals offer a unique glimpse into Japanese spirituality and culture. The shrine's accessibility and proximity to other major attractions make it an essential destination for visitors to Tokyo. To make the most of your visit, plan to arrive early or late to avoid crowds. Participate in traditional activities and explore the surrounding areas of Yoyogi Park and Omotesanda. For a well-rounded experience, visiting during a festival or seasonal event can provide an unforgettable insight into Japanese traditions. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration for your visit to Meiji Jingu. Whether you're seeking spiritual enrichment, cultural experiences, or simply a peaceful retreat in the heart of Tokyo, Meiji Jingu offers something for everyone. Thank you for reading, and we look forward to guiding you on your next adventure in Tokyo.